Namaskaram and Swagatam to Fluent in Malayalam. I hope you all are doing well and you all are safe right now. I'm seeing all the news from India. It's not good. I'd like to tell you all to be responsible and please be safe. Okay? So today we are going to learn 30 daily object names in Malayalam. So let's get started. First one is bottle. For bottle, we say kuppi in Malayalam. Kuppi, kuppi, kuppi. Next is water. I think this must be very familiar to you right now. Water is vellam, vellam, vellam. It's not vellam, it is vellam. Glasses or spectacles. So, what is glasses? It is kannada. The way I have written it, you might have a tendency to read it like Kannada, but it is not Kannada. It is Kannada. 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 Okay, glasses is Kannada. Next is mirror. Mirror is Kannadi. 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 And I put these two words next to each other because I know it is confusing. It is kind of similar, but it is different. The objects are different and the word is different. The other one was Kannada. This one is Kannadi. Kannadi. Next is clock. Clock. Clock is Khadigaram. 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 So the thing is that no one usually says in their daily life like Khadigaram for a clock. A clock is said to be a clock only. But if you want to know what is the word for clock, then that is it. Gadigaram. Gadigaram. Book. Book is Pustagam. 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 Book is Pustagam. Money is Kash or you can say Panam. Kash or Panam. Kash, Panam. Coin. Coin is Chillara, Chillara or Nanayam. Chillara or Nanayam. So Nanayam is not that common. You don't say that in your daily life. But so Chillara is more common than Nanayam. But both are the words for coin. Chillara, Nanayam. Okay. Key. Key is Takol. Takol. Key is Takol. Takol. Lock is Put. 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 So that is not put. Put is an entirely different thing. It is put. Put. Okay. Umbrella. Umbrella is Kuda. Umbrella is Kuda. Kuda. Pen. Pen is Pena. 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 That's an easy one. Next is Matchbox. Matchbox is Tea Petti. Tea Petti. So actually tea means fire and petti means box. Tea Petti. Tea Petti is matchbox. Matchstick is Tea Petti Kulli. Tea Petti Kulli. Tea Petti Kulli. Scissors. Scissors is Katriga. Katriga. Scissors is Katriga. Comb. Comb is cheap. 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 Comb is cheap. Newspaper. Newspaper is Patram. Patram. So the A sound after P or Pa, it is short one. Patram. There is another word Patram which we will be seeing in the same video, but this one is the short one. Patram. Patram. That means newspaper. Patram. And this is a word that we use on a daily basis, even though it looks like a very neat word. Patram. Patram. Okay. Chair. Chair. Kasera. Chair is kasera. 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 Kasera is chair. Table. Table is mesha. It is mesha. It is not mesha. It is mesha. Mesha. There is a difference in that. Even though I have to use SHA in English, it is not sha. It is sha. Sha. Okay. Mesha. Notebook. Notebook is note pustagam. So we learned book is pustagam. Pustagam. And notebook, it is just adding pustagam with note. So note to pustagam. Note to pustagam. Picture. Picture is chitram. Chitram. Picture is chitram. Chitram. Glue. Glue is pasha. Glue is pasha. Pasha. So like the other one, it is sha, not sha. So pasha. Pasha. Paper. Paper is kadalas. 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 Kitchen vessel. So this is the one I said before. Any kitchen vessels can be called as patram. Patram. So we learned patram, which is newspaper. This is patram. So there goes the long A sound after P. Patram. Patram. So any kitchen utensils, any kitchen vessels can be called patram. Patram is also for plate also we say patram. Patram. Plate is also patram. Patram for kitchen vessels and plate. Stove is aduppu. 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 Knife is katti. Knife is katti. 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 Knife is katti. Cloth. Cloth is tuni. Tuni. Cloth is tuni. Tuni. Towel. Towel is torth. Torth. Towel is torth. Torth. And the last and final word is electricity. Electricity is vaidyuti. 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 So those were 30 object names that we see on a daily basis. I'll give you a tip. First learn these words, and whenever you see these items, try to memorize it. That way you will be able to learn it properly. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and once again I would like to tell you, stay safe, and Nani for watching this video, and Namaskaram.